Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your Roomba error 13. Now it's for the I series, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is check which error occurs. Now if it's error 13, as you can see right here, it means that your Roomba is or stuck or something that happens inside the machine. So as you can see, you can use a virtual wall to keep Roomba from certain places. Let's say there's an area where it keeps getting stuck. Make sure that there's a virtual wall for the Roomba so it doesn't get stuck. Or check if there's any debris inside the wheels of the machine, or if anything is inside the rotary system. So let's say it keeps getting stuck there. Simply check if there's anything like hair, flint, certain rocks, and check if there's anything inside. Also give it a couple of taps to the side, so maybe there's something falling out. You can also briskly turn both wheels by hand and make sure they're freely turning each way. And that they exhibit the same amount of resistance. Inspect the front caster wheel of the robot so that there's no debris left as well. Now you can also call the Roomba robot customer service if you still can't fix the issue. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.